Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to download TikTok in the US if you deleted it right after the ban. And let's get straight into the video. So go ahead and get your phone and go over to the App Store. Now from the App Store, what you want to do is you want to basically just change your country slash region on the App Store to Canada, and you can do that by going over to the top right where your picture is. Just go over to your picture thing at the top right and then go down to your Apple ID, hit swipe down to media and purchases, hit view account, and then you will be able to see country and region. Now, once you change your country and region, um, you can basically just change it to Canada. Now, once you do that, what you want to do is you want to get a UK VPN. You could use VPN 360, for example. It's free. Go ahead and download that and just change your location to the UK. Now, once you're also done with step 2, you can move on to step 3, which is going to be restarting your phone. And then when it's turned back on, go ahead and activate the VPN. Now, step 4 is going to be close out of the App Store, reopen it, and download TikTok. You should now see it. Now, once TikTok is downloaded, you can basically reverse everything you did to before how it was before. You could either, use the same account that you want, or you can make a new account. It's completely up to you. But other than that, that is basically it, and you should now have TikTok. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.